from Buck and Buck, and I'm wearing our back zip sweat jumpsuit. And like all of our other jumpsuits here at Buck and Buck, we found this to be a really good solution for anyone dealing with inappropriate or unwanted undressing, because many of the caregivers that we work with have people that they work with that, whether it be in a facility or out in a public situation, sometimes have some issues with unwanted undressing. And what we found is that generally, out of sight means out of mind for a lot of these people. If they're not presented with immediate options, whether it be buttons, zippers, fastenings down the front of a shirt, the waistline of a pair of pants, if it's not there right in front of them, they will generally move on and to the next activity. So we hope that this will be a great solution for you as well. Now, the added bonuses here of our sweatsuit as opposed to some of our other jumpsuits is one, the warmth. I mean, this is very warm and comfortable, the real comfort you get from wearing a sweatsuit. And two, the added flexibility. This is very stretchy, non-binding, very comfortable. It can accommodate any number of shapes and sizes of people. And it's really easy for the caregiver to get both on and off of the wearer. You can see it has this zipper that goes straight down the back, very deep down the back, which makes it really easy for the caregiver to get it on and off of the wearer. And then you can see we've taken the time to sew the waistline into the waistband here so that it blouses over and has a nice natural look, so it looks like you're wearing just a regular sweatsuit. Again, this is the back zip sweat jumpsuit here at Buck and Buck. Like all of our jumpsuits, it comes in many different sizes and colors, so be sure to let us know your favorite. Chances are we'll be able to get it for you. And of course, we hope it'll be a great solution for you.